Yeah, it was too many balls.
Huh?
Too many balls. It formed a complete like lock before it even went in then to the actual fan, so it wouldn't go down. What?
They're doing hit now.
Yeah.
They're not doing violence. You get shot and then push it out.
Why don't you tell them?
They were already, other tuners already on the other side.
John! John! Go this way! Yeah, go back out. How many did you get, man? You got like 20? Hell yeah. You got your barrel sock? Put your...
Hey, the gun's not working.
I'll fix it out here. I want to tell them.
Sure whoever was on the fucking list, I tagged up. I lied.
What's the split? 6 and 6?
Yeah.
Is there a guy right there?
Yeah, I saw that. What? Oh, I got that kid over there. In that corner, right? Yeah, that kid right there. I was looking at that, but this gun, they were like robbing. It wasn't going straight.
I'm going to turn up the pressure on it.
I think we're done, right? Did we get anybody for that thing?
Hey.
I don't know. I was the first man out, though. I was watching. I didn't see nobody else come out.
Hey, babe. Release the regulator on my gun.
So I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna get out of here.
How was it, man?
Oh, it's video?
Yeah.
That was good, man.
What happened to me?
Thought that kicking ass.
Pam goes, oh, I'm like, he goes, hey, Mikey, huh? Fuck, Pam. Damn, you had to say my name. Yo, watch out for the kid in the red.
I thought I got that kid.
What happened to you?
I got shot on my leg. Look at the dog.
Go ahead and touch that dog. Are you scared of him?
No. I'm not scared of dogs anymore.
You want to see my dog?
Yeah. Okay.
He's a husky. Pretty big.
Okay. Okay, he's on. Hey, but I was gonna quit eating like my gun stopped working. Then I got shot. So.
Mikey, check your gun.
What's wrong with it?